we're back at Walgreens for round 2 so we can finish this digital booster for spend 50 2 times, earn back $25 in Walgreens Cash. I did my first transaction and then a register reward didn't print, so I wanted to go home, figure out my second transaction to keep my out-of-pocket cost as low as possible. So in total, if you're following along, if you do my first transaction, today, we're doing 2 more small transactions. You'll score $156 worth of products, but you're gonna save 70% on it as far as your out-of-pocket cost, which is incredible. So stay tuned. I'm gonna break it down for you step by step in this video. I'm so excited about these deals. Remember that digital booster does expire on Saturday, so this is the only week that you're able to do it. You have to do both transactions this week to be able to earn back the Walgreens Cash. Some of you guys mentioned you had spend 20 2 times, get $10 in Walgreens Cash. Definitely jealous of you because that is a way easier digital booster. Below in the description box, I will link to the first video that has the first transaction for you guys, as well as a printable breakdown for the different deals that I'm gonna be doing in today's transaction. As always, it does vary per store as far as what stock they have, and you wanna make sure that you have the same digital coupons before you go to the store. We're also gonna be earning $9 cash back from Ibotta. So if you're new to that rebate app, definitely get it downloaded. It is my absolute favorite cashback app, and it gives you real cash back, which we love. If you're new to my channel, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my channel and help me reach my goal of 100,000 followers so I can do a huge giveaway to say thank you to you guys. Now let's head inside and finish this booster. First deal we're gonna do today is on the feminine care for buy 3, get a $10 register reward. We're gonna do this in its own transaction so we can get back the rewards to roll into our second transaction. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the Always. There is a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon. Then we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So one of those, and then I'm gonna grab an Always Flex Foam as well to be the second product. So these are the 3 products that we're gonna grab. So total for these 3 products is $30.72. After the coupons come off, we're gonna pay $25.22, but you can pay with Walgreens Cash. So I'm gonna roll $20 in Walgreens Cash, pay $5.22 plus tax out of pocket. Then we're gonna get back the $10 register reward and submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back each on the Always Z's. Now we're gonna get into our next transaction to complete the digital spend booster that I have for this week. Next, we're doing the Colgate deal. So we're gonna grab the large Colgate here for $5 each. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $5, get back the $4 register reward, makes them 50 cents a piece, and these are the huge 6-ounce tubes, so that's an amazing deal. Then we're gonna grab the Dove deal. This is the absolute best time to stock up on Dove. You're gonna grab any 2 that are $7 each. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward. We have an 8 off 2 digital coupon. So you're gonna pay $6, get back a $3 register reward, makes them $1.50 a piece. That comes around like once a year, so definitely stock up if you like Dove. The last deal we're gonna grab is on Old Spice body wash. So they're part of a promotion, spend 20, get a $5 register reward. I'm gonna grab 2 of these large ones for $11 each. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $18, get back the $5 register reward, then submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back each, gives you $4 cash back. Makes your final cost like $4.50 per bottle, which is a great deal. But we're putting all of this into our final transaction for that booster, so it's gonna get even better. So let's go over that deal. Now we have to be at $50 in product value to be able to earn back the $25 in Walgreens Cash. So the last deal we're gonna grab is the Head & Shoulders, which is a really good deal this week. There's $6 each on sale. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $9, get back the $4 register reward. Makes your final cost $5 for 2 bottles or just $2.50 per bottle. So this is my second transaction to finalize this digital booster that I got this week for spend 50 2 times, earn back $25 in Walgreens Cash. So again, for the first transaction, definitely check out that first haul that I did. It's posted on my channel. So total for all these products is $58 even. So you can use up to $5 in Walgreens Cash. So I will be doing that to lower my cost. Then we have $20 worth of digital coupons that are going to come off at checkout. So that brings us down to $38. So I'm going to be using $5 in Walgreens Cash, plus we're using the $18 in register rewards that we've earned from the first and second transaction to lower our out-of-pocket cost. We'll pay $15 plus taxes out of pocket, earned back a $4 register reward for Colgate, $4 for the Head & Shoulders, $5 for the Old Spice, and $3 for the Dove, plus $25 in Walgreens Cash from the Digital Booster, and $4 cash back from Ibotta for the Old Spice. That makes our net cost for this transaction completely free and a $7 moneymaker. Let's go check out, and as always, I'll let you know if I run into any snags at checkout so you know exactly what to expect. Okay, we're back in from Walgreens. I did have a digital coupon not come off for the Always transaction. The $2.50 didn't come off, so I do have to contact customer service again to get that money back. Update on the $10 register reward. So I tried to reach out to the Catalina company. Walgreens customer service transferred me to the Catalina company. There's no human to talk to. It's just an automated recording that tells you to go to support.catalina.com. Filled out the form twice. It kept saying error saving form. So I had to call customer service back. She transferred me to consumer relations, who transferred me back to that same lady. I was like, look, somebody needs to help me. I'm not trying to do this for hours and get tossed around. I just need to help with this $10. So she wound up giving me the $10 in Walgreens Cash. So wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. It is a little bit of a pain in the butt. If it was $1 or $2, I probably wouldn't have worried about it. But $10 is significant, right? That could help make or break our budget. So you want to definitely go and get that money back. So let's go over the two transactions. The first transaction was the Always deal. I don't know why that $2.50 didn't come off. So I used $20 in Walgreens Cash. I paid $7.72. It should have been closer to $5.22 out of pocket if that digital coupon came off. And then I did get back the $10 register reward for buying 3 of those products, which I immediately rolled in my next transaction, and it came off fine. I didn't have any issues. So my next transaction was everything that you saw in store. I rolled the $18 in register rewards from the first and second transaction. So these 2 were from the deal I did on Tuesday. This is from the Always deal. Then all the digital coupons came off. We have $8 for the Dove, $5 for the Colgate, $4 for the Old Spice, and $3 for the Head & Shoulders. Rolled $5 in Walgreens Cash. Paid $18.36 out of pocket. Down here it shows I used $5 in Walgreens Cash. I earned the $25.53. Plus, I did get back all the register rewards from doing all the different deals. So I earned back 4 different register rewards. Make sure you're checking the dates on the register rewards though, because they are expiring, some of them a little sooner than usual. Typically they give you 7 days. Some of them though have been expiring in 4 days. And that's money. That's money that you can use towards other products. So do not let them expire. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. We're gonna head home and enter in all the information into our budget spreadsheet so we can figure out what our cash cost is, what the percentage is that we saved on this transaction, and in total for our Walgreens hauls this week. So on our digital budget spreadsheet, if you don't have this yet, it'll be linked below for you guys in the products, or it'll be in the description box. Definitely snag it. What you're gonna do is you always put in the date. So today is the 16th. I do 1 line per transaction. It just makes it a lot easier. So the first transaction was the Always deal. So the product value, including the sale price, because they were buy one, get one half off, is $30.72. My out of pocket on this transaction, including any taxes, is $7.72. Rewards I paid with, I used $20 in Walgreens Cash, no gift cards on this, and then total cash back was $5. Rewards earned on this was $10. So it's gonna give us 91% saved on this first transaction. Amazing. Our next transaction, click Walgreens again. Total for this one was $58 in product value. My out of pocket, including taxes, $18.36. So how much did you swipe your card for at checkout? Then rewards I paid with was 18 plus 5 is 23. No gift cards. Total cash back was $4, and rewards I earned back on this one, $41 back in rewards on that one. That's insane. Net cost, 36 cents. Cash cost, $14.36 for everything that we grabbed, and we saved 75%. So that's gonna update our total average percentage saved. This is automatically going to update for you as well if you have the spreadsheet, because all of these formulas are already plugged in. So you're just going to add in your information here and everything's going to populate for you. So budget remaining, I have $48.67 left for the entire month. So I've got to make sure that I'm aware of that. And then I've saved almost $400 so far, and we're only halfway through the month. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I hope you're able to score amazing deals at Walgreens this week. If you haven't seen the first video for the first transaction, then click this video here, and that way you can check that out. Do your first transaction and then follow this video for the second and third transaction. So that way you can get $156 worth of products for about $45 out of pocket, which is an amazing deal when you're rolling your rewards and stacking your deals the right way. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.